number 2. Yes, number 2. Ay, buwan. Tumira na hindi ko kilala. Pak, sa pool.
Yun o, ayos na. Ayos na.
Togan, pass to Nuno, no good, Ribabay, out of bounds, ball stays with Team Sabil 80, Yuba. Next team ito, Team Ivan versus Team David, followed by Team Christian 8A versus Team Robbie. Nuno pa rin. Sinakuha, bubat, speed the move, still by number 0. Number 0, pinabala ni Yuba. Number 0, pass to number 3, San Jose. To number 0 again, 0, crossover move, 0. Still by Togan kaya? Wow, pabay dyan si number 0. Wala pang foul counted dyan ha, wala pa. First game lang ng kabila eh. Wala pang foul counted dyan. Togan, no good pa rin, di ba by number 0? Nauna rin si San Jose, ang bilis. San Jose, pinigay ba na number 0? 2 points, number 0. 4-2. All four. Basket by Nuno. 8 minutes. 0 to San Jose. Kay Ibre, Nugget, riba by Nuno. Galon. To JJ. Pinigay kay Steve by number 0. Number 0, lumipad. Parang kanila. No good. Riba by Togan. Togan ang mamadali si Togan. Togan lumipad din. 2 points. Radial Servito. To number 0. Spin the move. No good. Riba by. Number 11. Pass to Kiar. Pass to na. Steal by Nuno. Nuno pa rin. Binigay kay Pau. Yuba na mamadali. Yuba, nagpanay-panay. Yuba! Out of bounds. Ball stays with Team Yuba 80. Score, all 4 pa rin. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Yuba take it away. No good. Riba by San Jose. To number 0. Nagmamadali si number 0. Number 0 pa rin. Pinasahan ang wala. Out of bounds. Good ball yan mga bro. Foul lang tayo. Dead ball. Foul. Foul dyan si number 0. 6-4 in favor of Yuba. Team Yuba 6-4. Togan, pass to Pau, Yuba, binigay kay Gubat, out of bounds. 6 minutes exactly. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Team Undrafted. 0, number 0. Ali play, out of bounds. Good ball yan mga bro, good ball. Togan, side step, block sa likod. Pero sa pool, sa ulo si Togan. Power din si number 0, John Mark Pilar. Togan, pass to Popao. Yuba, Pinapatay ni number 0. Nagpapanay-panay. Yuba. Blocked by Pilar. Uy! Natamaan, nakala kampi. Kala si Nuno. Kasi lang si Nuno eh. Last possession before change. Last possession, mga bros. And follow us and subscribe sa YouTube channel natin, Swiss Unity Hoop, mga bros. Speed the move. No good. Change court na po. Change court na, mga bros. Change court na po. 6-4 pa rin. Lamang Team Yuba. Change court na. Change court.
Hindi naman nakakatakbo. Ikaw kasi ba eh?
14 second shot lock. Yuba, long 2. No good. Ibabay, John Martila. Walang pinasahan si, ano bang tawag doon sa friend? Imaginary friend. Nauna na naman. Si Nathan. Ay, may tubig dito, bro. May tubig dito, mga boys. All 6, 4 minutes. Togan. Binabanay na dalawa, Togan. Steal. Alba, foul. Foul. Pwede si number 0. Dead lang, all 6 pa rin. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Yuba. Tugupat sa ilalim. Wala. Gubat pa rin. Foul. Grabing laban niya sa ilalim. Grabe naman. Nawala sa amin ni nakakuha ni KJ, ang bilis. 13 second shot lock. 10 second shot lock. 5 second shot lock. No good. Iba na number 0. 3 minutes exactly. Out of bounds. Good boy. Steal by KJ. Out of bounds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3. No good. Dito by JJ. Nakuha ni Lalo. Block ni Bobo. Pero foul. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Ano yung play? No good. To Daniel. Yung mamadali. Daniel na panay-panay. Nakawala. Daniel! Magic shot is good. Daniel Carubal. 8-6 in favor of Team Yuba. Number 11. Binigay kay number 0. Bumangga. Foul. Ten seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3 taking 3. No good. Rebound by JJ. JJ, nagmamadali. JJ pa rin. JJ. Binigay kay Daniel. Short number ni Daniel. Wala. Rebound dito. Rebound ni Togan. Ginamit ang height. 14 seconds to shoot. Yuba taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 pa rin. Asuhin mo. Wow! What a pass! 2 points. Daniel Carubal. 10-6. 4-point lead na po ang lamang ng team. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Block by Gubat. Pero may foul na si Gubat sa pangalawang pagkakataon. 1 minute and 30. Score 10-6. 4-point lead by Team Yuba. Ay, sorry. 3 points. No good. Lumipad Daniel. Naamang si Babaw. Yuba lumipad na. Wala. 0 pa rin. So far, isang 0. Lumipad. 10-8. Steal by number 3. Number 3. Short number. Wala. Lima by JJ. 1 minute and 5. Foul. Foul by jersey number 0.
5, 10, 8.
10-8 in favor of Team Yuba 80. Oras, 1 minute. Exactly. No good. Team 5, Daniel. Pero out of bounds, bola ng Team Yuba 80. Subukan, na-steal number 25 to number 0. Number 0 binigay kay number 3. 2 points. Number 3, your deadlock or 10. Napakagandang laban natin sa papawis, mga kaibigan. Togan, nawala. Togan! Wow! 2 points. Daniel Servito. 36 seconds left. Traveling without license. Nakita. 29 seconds left. Good ball yan. 12-10 in favor of Team Yuba. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds left. Shot lakot na po yan. 5 seconds left. 3. End of the second game with a score of 12-10 in favor of Team Yuba. Kamain po. Next game, Team David